Are you someone who is not good at rhythm? Do you panic every time you hear a metronome and you have to play with it? Do you maybe want to play with a band, but you're terrified that you won't be able to follow the drummer? Then this video is for you, because I'm going to show you that you're actually not bad at rhythm and you shouldn't be afraid of the metronome. And the drummer, well, I can't promise anything about drummers. Just kidding, drummers. I'll show you a step-by-step, simple method that will ease you into being able to follow a beat. And the best part is, you don't even need a piano for it. What? Yeah, let's get started. So if you have trouble following an outside beat, it's because you see it as an outside beat, something that is getting in the way of you thinking about the music that you're playing, something that is interfering with your ability to hear yourself. A lot of times people will tell me, I can't listen to the metronome or a beat of some sort and myself at the piano at the same time. Well, here's the good news. The steady beat of a metronome or a good drummer or anything like that is not going to change. Every click of a metronome is going to be the same length of time away from every other click of the metronome. So let's say you have your metronome set at 60 beats per minute. That means that there will be 60 clicks or beats in 1 minute. That means you're going to have one click every second. So you don't have to really listen for the metronome. What you need to do is lock into it, feel it. So I'm going to show you how to feel it in your body. The first thing you're going to do is just turn on the metronome and listen to it. We'll go ahead and put it at 60 beats per minute here and just listen. Don't be afraid of it. Here it is. Okay, the next thing is you're going to go somewhere where you have a little bit of space to walk, and if you have mobility issues, you can hold on to a kitchen counter or something like that, and you're going to take one step for every click. So you hear a click, you take a step. You hear a click, you take a step, like this. Try this at different tempos. Go a little bit slower, a little bit faster. What you're doing here is feeling the beats in your body without the pressure of being at a piano and having to move your hands around chords and notes. And please don't assume that you're going to get good at this in one shot. It's not how this works, okay? Do it over the course of a few days. The way you will know that it's time to move on to step 2 is this step 1 will start to feel really boring. Like, yeah, of course I can do it. Great. Now you're ready for step 2. So you'll still use 60 beats per minute, and you'll take 2 steps for each click. That means you'll take 1 step on a click and 1 in between, like this. That might take a while because you want to start to feel where are these very predictable clicks happening. Cool. Now, let's play around a little bit. Go a little bit slower, a little faster, and do the stepping on a click and in between the clicks. When that becomes very easy, I want you to do something else. You're going to take a step every other click. So you'll take a step, hold, listen to the click, then take another step, hold, listen to the click, like this. When that gets easy, you can mix them up a little bit. So just kind of make it up. Say, all right, I'm going to take 2 steps with the clicks. Then on the third one, I'm going to hold it for 2 clicks, like this. Or you could say, I'm going to do the ones that go in between, so like the 2 steps for each click. I'll do that for 2 clicks, and then I'll take a step and hold it for 2 clicks. So once you can walk to the metronome, just based on whatever rhythm you want to do, then it's time to apply it to a piece of music. We're going to take the left hand of Bach's Minuet in G, and we're going to walk it. So every time you see a chord or a note, you're going to put a foot down. If a note lasts for 2 clicks or 2 beats, you stay where you are. Then on the next note, you step with the other foot. So this gets your body and your brain involved in processing rhythm, again, away from the piano. You can do it with counting, like this. Now let's try that with the right hand. So you see we have the click on every quarter note, and we're stepping the rhythm of the piece. Now, I didn't make this up. This is an actual pedagogical, I don't know. It's an educational tool that is used worldwide, but unfortunately it's not common for adults to learn this sort of thing. I do talk about it in my book, Practice Makes Permanent, but I'm one of the few people that teaches adults to process rhythm with your whole body. So what you can do is spend 2 or 3 minutes a day just walking to a rhythm with a beat going on. Eventually, the click of the metronome will just be like a partner in crime instead of like someone trying to commit a crime. I don't know. It will be a partner with you, okay? You can pick up any piece of music and take a couple of measures, walk the rhythm, count it, and stay with a steady beat. And eventually, actually quite quickly, if you do this every day for a couple of minutes, this will start to feel really normal. If you have an iPad and you want to practice with beats that are a little more interesting than just the click, click, click of a metronome, you definitely want to check out this video here. Keep practicing, have fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye.